Okay, this video was long overdue. A couple of weeks ago, I was facing an issue on the Interceptor, that the engine was just not starting. A lot of you commented that it might be the relays, it might be the fuel pump, and get your electrical wires checked, and a lot of other comments. So I did follow two leads, and it turns out that Royal Enfield installs 5-pin relays on your Interceptor when they come out. So the issue with that is the circuitry is not complete for some reason, and after a little while it just gives you some issues. And I got that checked and I got that replaced. Now you can do that at home also. So in case you're finding this issue that suddenly your bike just dies, how do you do that? I'll show you. Take the seat off, and there's a 5mm bolt right here. You take it off and this panel comes out and you pull it up. And once you do that, you can see that the relays are right here. There are 5 relays. This one is for the turn signals, the indicators, and there are these 4 relays. Now each of these 4 relays, I have switched it to 4-pin relays. The 5-pin, it sort of looks like this. So it turns out the 4-pin relay is much more stable. That looks like that. And if you compare the two, there's like. So bottom line, get rid of the 5-pin relays and switch over to the 4-pin relays. Now you can find this on Amazon also, but if you take your bike to any certified Royal Enfield service center, they'll give it to you. It's very, very cheap and an effective fix to this issue. So yeah, that's how you do it. And you put that back on, press it hard on it, and you're good to go. So change all your relays from 5 pins to 4 pins. That's the job done. Thank you so much for watching.